In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block your highest energy hours in Google Calendar for focused work. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can set aside time when you're naturally most alert and productive. This is a great way to protect your attention during the week, especially if you tend to get pulled into meetings, messages, or small tasks that break your concentration. Start by opening Google Calendar in Chrome. Using Chrome helps make sure the calendar loads smoothly and that the layout looks the way most people expect. Once you're in, take a moment to look at your upcoming work week so you can think about your schedule in a realistic way. Next, identify your highest energy hours during the upcoming work week. These are the times of day when you usually feel the most focused, clear-headed, and capable of doing meaningful work. For some people, that's early in the morning before interruptions begin. For others, it might be late morning or even a stretch in the afternoon. The key here is to think honestly about when you do your best work, not just when you wish you were productive. It can help to quickly scan your calendar and notice where you already have commitments. You're looking for a time that matches both your natural energy and your actual availability. If your energy is highest at a certain time but that space is already packed with meetings, choose the best open window that still gives you a strong chance to focus. Once you've found those hours, click and drag a vertical line over that time in your calendar to establish a focused chunk of time. As you drag, you'll create a calendar block that represents a dedicated work session. This is useful because it turns a good intention into something visible and protected on your schedule. Try to make the block long enough for deep work, not just a few scattered minutes. A focused chunk of time works best when it gives you room to settle in, concentrate, and make real progress without needing to switch gears too quickly. After you create the block, you'll have a clear visual reminder that this part of your day is reserved for important work. That simple